Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neha. It's been quite a long time since I posted any video, but here I am with a new makeup look. In this video I'm gonna show you different ways to apply your base and how it results. Moving forward, I will be showing you how to do a quick brown smoky eye makeup look. However, I have uploaded a separate video on this eye look, which is you can say a highlight of this eye look. So without much further ado, let's quickly start with the video. This all over my face. So one side I'm gonna do with my brush and the other side I'm gonna do with the beauty blender. I have already prepped and primed my face. I have already applied a concealer, and the foundation that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. So I'm gonna build it up, but first I'm gonna blend this part with my damn beauty blender from Color Bar. Now you can see after one layer of application, the sponge side is sheer than the brush side, so I'm gonna build it up. However, I'm gonna build up both the the brush side and the sponge side as well. So I'm applying the foundation all over my face and blending it with the help of the brush on one side, and the other side I'm gonna use the same Color Bar sponge, taking the foundation down my neck to make sure it looks even. Still I can see the brush side has a better coverage, however the sponge side is more natural. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna move on to my blush. For blush, I have mixed a concealer and a liquid lipstick. I have uploaded a video on this on my channel. I'll link it down in the description box. Next, for highlighting the under eye area, I'm using a concealer from Maybelline Fit Me and the shade is Sand. I'm going to use the pack sponge to blend the concealer on one half, and the other half I'm going to use a brush to blend the concealer. Once I'm done blending the concealer, I'm going to set it using a compact powder. I'm going to give you a couple of options for an affordable compact powder. Here I have the L'Oreal Matte Magique, and the other one is from Faces Canada, and the next one is from Wet n Wild, and the other one that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. So I'm using the same Color Bar sponge to set my face and the under eye area. On the other half, again I'm going to use a brush to set it. The side that I've set with the sponge is more a filtered effect. However, the brush side is also good. You can use either ways to set your foundation or your concealer. Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Etude House retractable pencil. You can also use the Wet n Wild retractable pencil or the Maybelline retractable pencil. Both are affordable and are of good quality. Now to make sure that my brow stays in one place, I'm gonna use a clear gel from Wet n Wild. This will help my brows to stay in place. Now to give the brows more clean and a sharp look, I'm gonna use a concealer to enhance my brows. I'm using a flat concealer brush and outlining my brows with the help of a concealer, and I'm gonna blend it. This will help to get a more sharp and a clean look for your brows. Moving ahead to a bronzer, I'm using this Wet n Wild bronzer to bronze up my face. I am using this to bronze my forehead, my cheeks and my jawline. And for bronzing or contouring my nose, I am using the Wet n Wild contour palette, which I showed you in the beginning. And I'm also using this to contour my lips. The Wet n Wild contour palette is quite handy, as you also get a banana powder in that, which can be used to set your face or your under eyes. Now to keep the makeup intact, I'm setting my face using the Faces Canada makeup fixing spray. For my blush here, I'm using the Savannah Colors blush palette, which has couple of shades. So I chose this pink shade for today's blush, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks and my nose as well. This palette also consists of a highlighter which has a little bit of glitter particles, which I don't like. So I'm gonna show you how the application looks like on the face. It is not very blendable, and I was struggling to blend it. So I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my face. This highlighter has no chunky glitter particles and looks very natural and flawless on the skin. So I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, my nose and my forehead. I've applied my mascara and my lipstick off camera, and that completes my face makeup. Now moving ahead with my eyes, I'm gonna use this Eye Magic eyeshadow palette for my eyes today. I've taken this light brown kind of shade for my transition color and applying it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to blend the product on my eyelids. Once I got my desired color, I am moving ahead with this dark brown shade and applying it on my crease area with a smaller brush. I'll keep on adding the color till the time I get my perfect shade. Next, I'm going to use this dark brown shade and applying it all over my lid area, as it's a brown smoky eye look. I'm also going to apply the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line using a small brush. Now I'm gonna use this brown kajal from Sugar and applying it roughly on my upper lash line and using it as a eyeliner and a kajal as well. I'm gonna smudge this brown kajal, and for my inner corners I'm taking this shimmer shade, bronze shimmer shade, to highlight my inner corners. And this completes my eye look. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.